Hello, beautiful creatures. Welcome to my channel. I am Aradia, the Witch of Dark Light, and I hope you all are doing well. I am making this quick intro to tell you a little bit about the video. It's all about candle magic for healing. I did a video like this before. However, this one I used a 7-day candle because I wanted it to be dedicated to any time that you need to light this candle. It's already prepared and waiting for you when you feel like you need some healing. Whatever healing that is, spiritual, mental, physical, when you feel like you need to sit and just meditate and call on that element and energy of healing into your life, into that moment. So I just walk you through how I did that, and I also pull a card. I felt drawn to pull a card to go along with whatever was needed. And the question that I kind of asked, or what I was thinking about when I pulled the card, was what are some of the things, or what is something that I can use or do, or what do I need to know to help this healing process? And if that resonates with you when you see the card, if that resonates with you, take it, receive it by all means. If not, not for you. But let me know if this is something that you may do. And if you have any questions, please let me know about what I used, the botanicals that I use and the oils that I use. Please let me know. So here is the candle magic for healing. I dedicate and charge this candle on this eve so that when I light it, it brings healing to me. So mote it be.